What is going on, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. It's good to see you guys. I hope you're having a good new year, even though you're probably going to see this a while after the new year because I have like 10 videos to edit because I've been on a long road trip. A lot of things have happened. You don't need to hear about that, but it's good to see you guys. I hope you guys are doing well. Got something cool going on. Hey, what are you doing upstairs? What? How'd you get up there, buddy? Huh? How'd you get up there? You know you're not supposed to be up. Come on. Come on, little chief. Come on, all the way. Gosh, this guy. How about this, babe? Whoever wins in rock, paper, scissors gets this. You ready?
Okay. What's in it?
Just yes or no.
Okay, fine.
Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
She always goes scissors. I got you. It's a good thing she didn't win. All right, boys, so you're probably asking yourself what's in the envelope, and what's in the envelope is a wad of cash because today I'm picking up my second project car for the channel. And if you've been following this for a while, you'll know that I built, well, I didn't build all of it, but I have a Project E36 M3 that I've done a ton of work to, and I have had work done to it as well. It hasn't just been me, but it's been my baby for about a year. It has an S54 swap, has suspension, it has all the bushings done, it has R-tabs done, it has a 6-speed transmission, it has Recaros, it has a bunch of stuff done. I love the car. It's awesome. There's another car that I've been wanting for a really long time, and if you go back to one of my first videos where I was debating what type of project car to buy, this is one of the contenders. The project car will be awesome street car slash track car that you don't mind beating on. First idea was an S2000, and I found one literally in Texas. Nothing is close to you. I found one of these cars literally 5 minutes from my house with a blown motor. Someone who doesn't want to fix it. Super similar to my M3. My M3 wasn't running when I got it. It was 5 minutes from my house, and the guy just wanted to get rid of it. This guy, same thing. The motor's blowing, and it's nothing more than a paperweight for him right now. So I have the cash. I'm running over there to pay him and then just sit and wait for the tow truck. I am so stoked for this, guys. I cannot wait because, again, this is a car. I've had a few of these in the past. I've done a few things to them, but I've never really built one. I'm going to have some fun with this one. Either I'm going to have some fun or I could flip it, because once you hear the price I'm getting for this, I'm getting this car for, you'd understand why I could flip it. So hold on, we're almost to this place. I'm gonna concentrate on driving, and I'll see you guys in a second. All right, boys, here it is, the new project car. 2001 Honda S2000 Spa Yellow. And this thing is awesome. The exterior is actually in really good shape. There's two door dings. There's one right here. I don't know if you'll be able to see. Yeah, right there. It's really not too bad. It's on a crease, so I don't know how that'll work out, but it's not as bad as the camera makes it look. And there's another one back here somewhere. It has been sitting for about 2 years. So there's a ton of buildup. It needs a new top, and the engine is blown. And that's why I was able to get it for an awesome price. So if you've been with me since I started building the E36 M3, you'll know I got this for an awesome price as well. And I did a lot more to this car than I'm gonna have to do to the S2000. But with the engine being blown and everything that needs, I mean, it's basically been a paperweight for the guy that owned it. I was able to get this thing for under $5 grand. I'll just tell you, I was able to pick it up for 4,500 bucks. I already have a line on the F20 which I think I'm gonna do. I could do a couple different things. Actually, you guys let me know. Let me know what you guys would do with this. Again, I could do anything to it. I could do an LS, I'm not sure if I want to. I love the characteristics of the car. I've had two S2000s, but I've never done much to them. I love the car as is. The car's a fantastic car. So I could go LS swap with it. I could go the K-Series swap with it. I kind of just want, I have a bunch of options. Honestly, I could just replace the engine and I could flip it. I could replace the engine, replace the top and flip it. I got it for 4,500 bucks. I mean, that's a steal with this type of car. So, this is what we're looking at, boys, for the next project. Remember, that's basically how this thing started off. This thing started off in nasty shape. This is actually in much better shape than the M3 started off. And then the interior is one of the things that really, you can't really see it, but the interior is in great shape. It has 92,000 miles on it. It's a 2-owner car. I mean, once it's cleaned up, it really is not in bad condition. I mean, this, yeah, that's gonna happen. I'm gonna replace the top, obviously. Should I go hard top? I might have to go hard top. Maybe a roll bar back there? I don't know. There are tons of things you can do to these cars. The support on these things is amazing. I'm stoked to get this thing started. Please let me know in the comments what you guys want to see with this, because again, the options are literally endless with this thing. This is gonna be an absolute blast. So if you're new to the channel, guys, smash that subscribe button. I cannot wait to get started tearing this thing down. Can't wait to get this thing on the track, and I can't wait to do more to the M3. This is gonna be awesome. I can't wait for this. Smash that subscribe, bros, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.